Good morning, all of you. I am sure that not as a trainer, but as your elder brother, you are getting more comfort from me. And I am sure that you will discharge your responsibility with full care and attention. This knowledge will help you because I am not talking to you keeping the books in the hand or taking the materials from the different. Trust me, from my own mind, whatever I have earned during last 30 years, I am sharing amongst you. My aim is only to make you a competent so that you are not facing any unceremonial situation anytime in your life, either you are lower management, middle management or top management professional in any organization. In this my video, I thought to talk to you about some motivational tips under the banner of break the record, don't break down. It is motivational tips you will get under this banner that break the records, don't break down. Meaning is very simple, but I have to apply. Professional failureness happens with the individual, with the professional. So how you motivate yourself, how you recharge yourself, how you keep intact? What happens? That at initial stage you are the struggler, you are struggling to catch something, find something and be the success leader. But what happens? Success does not comes to you, then you get the hit on your leg, you start crying. Organization is bad, people are bad, I am getting pressure, I cannot do it, what do I do? All these painful talks comes on your face. Crying and creeping does not help you and no one is going to help you. My dear friend, you have to help yourself. This is the law of the nature that if you can help yourself, then people may come forward to help you. Otherwise, rest assured, from my very bad experience I am talking to you, that no one is interested to help you. Rather they will pull you down further and further. They will drag you. They will make the mockery of your problem that you are in trouble. One person seeing in tear, they are going to talk to 10 people that, oh, Dr. Srivastava is in a big tear. No one came with the hanky and he given the ointment of the success as consolation to you. But everyone make the mockery. So when you are working, you are not able to accept the failureness, breakdown, failureness. No, I want to be successful leader. It is sayings, it is in books. But my dear friend, if you are horse rider, then you will fall down someday. Most of the time at the beginning you will fall down if you are going to ride the horse. But same if you have become the smart horse rider, then no one can pull you down. Even time you will ride. Similarly, riding the horse, doing the work smartly. You do it. Don't lose your confidence. Don't you trust your competency and relax always that you will do. You will win. You will definitely do it. And project yourself, not the frog of the bell. कुएं का मेढक मत, मैं नहीं हूं. आई एम नॉट स्ट्रगलर इन द बेल. कुएं में ही संघर्ष नहीं कर रहा हूं. आई एम नॉट स्ट्रगलर इन द बेल. रादर आई सी द सक्सेस ऑफ द सी. Today, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will come out from the bell of the struggle and I will expand my horizon. I will launch a bigger and best dunya. And I am definitely going to see the ocean sea of the success. Wait. You cannot take a decision. It is time. तुम्हारा वक्त सही आएगा तो सब कुछ होगा. It is your time which gives you the success, glory, यश, कीर्ति, मान, सम्मान. It is not your thought. And these things are controlled by nature, ultimately by God. You will help yourself making a successful leader, coming out of the well of the struggling place. And when with your smart working style, with your smart professional approach, you have expanded your horizon, the success will accept you. Break all the record with your smart working approach. And be the part of the breaking the record instead of getting breakdown. Having said, breakdown are scheduled in your life. But think, there are also people who gone on the moon. Here are the people who are riding the horse. Here are the people who are the diver, goes well below the sea, ocean, and seeing the ocean your heart is failing. They are going deep into it. How they went? They also failed many times. But they never failed in their approach. They kept each approach is very strong and they never compromised with their dream and ambition. Learn from the each hit you got on your knee, that which was the major thing due to which I got the hit, otherwise I would have not. So accept it in the a word in the good or motivational your diary. Keep on, keep on, keep on. Each hit, each motivational factor you will get. Each hit, each motivational factor you will get. And definitely one day there will be the good tips of the motivation in you and you will become a successful leader. So struggle in bell, but see the ocean. You get the hit, but you make your motivational diary very strong. You do, don't die. Oh, I am dying doing this work. No, my dear friend, sorry, this is holding you back and this will create negative problem in you. So keep yourself away from the negativism and you are ensure that you are not dying because of this failureness. Rather, you are learning and you will not today but day after tomorrow or after that or one day you are going to be a successful leader and you will become the motivational guru one fine morning and you will motivate the people the day today. Dr. Srivastav is motivating this mob and so many others mob through my programs that I was also a struggler, sufferer, slept without the drop of water, slept without the dinner and breakfast, but I never lose my heart. I never, in my each adversity, I saw the diversity. And through that diversity, I ensured that next after diversion is the success. May God bless you. May God help you. My best wishes to all of you and become a successful leader. And again I say that break the record, don't break down. Thank you, my successful leader of the tomorrow. Many more salutes to you and all of you. Thank you.